I want to be showing you guys how to trade market structure like a pro. Most of you guys do get it wrong when it comes to trading market structure, and some of you guys do get confused whenever you're trading market structure. The reason is because you don't know when price want to retrace and also know when price want to retest. This simply means that you don't know when price want to change direction and also know when price just want to retest and continue its direction to the direction it was heading to. And right in this video, I'm going to be correcting those mistakes right in this video. So I'm going to be showing you how to trade market structure, and as well how to know when price want to retrace, and also how to know when price just want to retest and continue its direction to the direction it was heading to. So do me a favor by liking and subscribing to this channel, and as well turning on your notification bell to be notified each time I post a video. So first of all, what is market structure? Market structure is basically the way the market moves. So we all know that right in the forex market, the market moves in three different ways, which is the uptrend, the downtrend, and as well the consolidating trend. These are the three basic formation the market moves in the forex market. So right in the video, we are basically going to be talking about the uptrend and the downtrend market, how to trade these two market structure properly, how to trade them like a pro. So without more being said, let me open my screen and let's get this video started. So as you can see, at this particular chart, you can see that this market is uptrending. As you can see that. Now on this particular market condition, when you see that the market forming higher highs and higher lows, then you should know that the market is uptrending. And each time the market is uptrending, you know that you can see that the support keep touching the resistance. You can see that. Now on this particular market condition, where you guys do get it wrong, the common mistake that you guys do make, you can see at this particular point, this market is uptrending. As you can see that, the common mistake that you guys do make is you just see that the market just reverse at this point. Now if the market had a reversal right at this spot, and suddenly the market then kind of consolidating, come back down again, consolidating right at this zone, you can see that. Now most of you will immediately take a short position. Most of you will just immediately take your short position, thinking that the market want to now switch. Now mind you that this market is basically an uptrending market. You can see that price is forming higher highs and higher lows. You can see that at this point price then come back down again, instead of price to maybe continue this way as it was doing, continue this way, then went up. Price didn't do that. You can see that price didn't do that. Let me clear off this. Now price then break this this support, this the support that the price is supposed to form. Price then broke it, then come back down to this particular point. You can see that. So at this point, is this market still uptrending or downtrend, or not the uptrending anymore? Is switching to a downtrend? So what do you think? Is the market still uptrending or downtrending at this point in time? The answer is that at this point in time that the market is here, the market is still on the uptrend. Now most of you just immediately take a short position. You can see that, which is wrong. So most of you just immediately take a short position because you see that price is consolidating at the last at the last support zone. At the last support zone, most of you just immediately take a short position. But mind you, at this point, the market is still uptrending, except the market then breaks out of this support. That is when the markets have finally stopped uptrending. Then there's a higher chance that price will just go down. So there's a much higher chance that price will just move to the downside. You can see that. But at this point, market is currently at this spot. So at this point, the market is still uptrending. Now let's say, now if you just take a short position, before you know, the market will just immediately just reverse. You can see that. Now let me explain to you. Now let me explain to you why this market is still uptrending. It's because price haven't yet break this our last support zone. You can see that this is our last support zone. Price haven't yet break it, so the market is still uptrending. So at this point, what the market just did is a market just formed a retest. You know, touches the last support zone and immediately went up. Now most of you just immediately take a sell because the market just formed a retest without knowing that the market is forming a retest and immediately take a short position. So that is wrong. So let me quickly show you guys on the chart. So as you can see, just like I explained, you can see that market can retrace. You can see that hit your stop loss. At this point, the market is still uptrending, so you wait for a proper breakout before you can decide on whether to sell. So likewise, this is the same way as the downtrending chart. So the same way, it will touches the last resistance, the last resistance zone, because the market is downtrending. So except it breaks the last resistance zone when the market is downtrending. So let me show you guys on the chart for you guys to see what I'm talking about correctly. So let's switch over to the 4 hours time frame. So basically what I just showed you guys, you can see that you can see now on the 4-hour time frame, if you notice, this is an uptrending chart. You can see that price is forming an uptrend. You can see that. Now if you notice, price is forming an uptrend. Can you see that? So at this point, let's say price, maybe let's say maybe let me cancel this. I'm coming. Let's say maybe price then come back down, as price is now consolidating at this zone. Let's say price then come back down to this particular point to touches this particular support. Now at this point, the price should come back to this point. At this point, price is still uptrending. So you should wait for a proper breakout for price to either break this zone. That's when you know that price has finally stopped uptrending. There's a higher chance that price is going to fall to the downside. So at this point, the market is still uptrending. If price should get to this point, the market is still uptrending. Now let's say maybe price might get to this point and immediately form a retest. You can see that. Form a retest. You can see that. Price can just form a retest to this, this our main resistance zone. Price can just form a retest to this our resistance zone. You can see that. Price can just form a retest to this resistance zone, and you get tapped out. You can lose your money if you just immediately close your position and you now look for a sell because of the market just broke this because the market price was to retrace at this point. Then price then broke it to this downside. Now you feel like price is no longer going to uptrend again. Price is going to fall and immediately take a sell. You're going to lose that particular trade because you haven't have a clear confirmation that price want to change direction and immediately take a sell. It might just be in halfway profits and immediately get tapped out, get back to drawdown. Not get into drawdown. You can see that. So this is basically one of the mistakes that most of you don't make when trading market structure, when trading a uptrending or a downtrending chart. So it's the same way as the downtrending chart. So the same way to trade both the downtrending chart. So this is what I'm about to just correct for you guys. So if you enjoy my videos, you're learning a lot on this channel, make sure you subscribe and as well turn on the notification bell to notify each time I post a video, and as well share this video for those that want to still learn forex. Make sure you share it to them so that they can learn and as well be becoming profitable just as you guys that are subscribed to my channel. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe and as well turn on the notification bell to notify each time I post a video. See you guys on another video. Peace out.